Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a new document in Adobe Illustrator based on a specific point in your edit history of the given document. So let us guide you through this. So guys, let me navigate to this example document, and let's assume, for instance, you would like to restore a past or previous point within the edit history of the given document and use that as a starting point for further edits and changes. To do that, navigate to your edits history here in your document, click into Window, select History, and then go through that list here of edits and changes. For example, that one here, and then you will see these edits restored up until that point. So what you want to do, guys, is right-click into it and select New Document. And there you go. There will be opened a new document and a new tab here with or based on the edit point in your history here. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.